Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a topic that's not just important but essential for our planet's future. Yes, I'm talking about eco-friendly travel gadgets. So, if you love exploring the world but want to do it sustainably, stick around because I've got some must-have gear to share with you. First on the list is the solar-powered charger. Let's face it, we all rely heavily on our devices, whether it's for navigating, capturing memories, or staying connected. A solar-powered charger is a game changer. It harnesses the sun's energy to keep your gadgets juiced up, no matter where your adventures take you. Plus, it's compact and easy to carry. Next up, reusable water bottles with built-in filters. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the go. These bottles not only reduce plastic waste, but also ensure you have clean water wherever you are. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or exploring a bustling city, this gadget is a lifesaver. Another fantastic gadget is the portable utensil set. Say goodbye to single-use plastics. These sets usually include a fork, knife, spoon, and even chopsticks, all made from sustainable materials like bamboo or stainless steel. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for those impromptu picnics or street food adventures. Let's talk about eco-friendly toiletries. Solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and biodegradable wipes are just a few examples. They're not only better for the environment, but also save space in your luggage. Plus, no more worrying about liquid restrictions at airports. Up next, the Eco Laundry Bag. This gadget is a must for longer trips. It allows you to wash your clothes anywhere using minimal water and detergent. It's perfect for backpackers or anyone who wants to pack light and stay fresh on the go. Now, for those who love camping, check out eco-friendly tents and sleeping bags. Many brands now offer gear made from recycled and sustainable materials without compromising on comfort or durability. So you can enjoy the great outdoors while minimizing your environmental footprint. And finally, let's not forget about eco-friendly luggage. Look for bags made from recycled materials or those that are designed to last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Some even come with solar panels to charge your devices. So there you have it, folks. A roundup of some of the best eco-friendly travel gadgets you'll actually use. Remember, every small change makes a big difference. By choosing sustainable gear, you're not just enhancing your travel experience, but also taking a step towards preserving our beautiful planet. If you found this list useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and eco-friendly advice. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.